What's up, Smoke?
What's up with you, boy?
Yeah, baby.
Trying to make it, man.
What's happening? Hey, bro, what's wrong with you?
Ain't nothing wrong with me.
What?
My grandmama, you know she's pregnant.
For real?
Yeah, man.
Your grandmama pregnant?
6 months.
I thought she was on Germantown. Don't do that.
Man, you know how it is. Can't get in. Listen to all that Travis Porter. MIG, he's going crazy.
It's going crazy out here in the street.
Yeah, man.
I heard
But
that.
real talk, I need to find somewhere to go tonight, man.
What you trying to get into? I mean, you know.
I want to go to the big party.
Okay, the big party.
Yeah.
Man, my partner got them tickets, man. Who? Tall boy.
What tall boy? You know how many tall boys I know? My cousin.
I'm talking about tall boy. You can see him from downtown, man. 5'1", you see him walking around.
Oh, tall boy. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
super tall.
So he just riding around and he just giving out tickets
He
like
be
that?
in the street, man. 5 points. I'm talking about everywhere.
Who you think he is? Steve Harvey? He going to jail, you hear me? How am I gonna find the tickets?
All you gotta do is tune in to Magic 107.5.
All right.
Them boys ballin', they got 2 stations and 97.5.
That's it right there.
You hear me? Yeah, that's the jam. Hey.
Got them socks.
Oh, Pippin, we don't need no socks right now.
Hold on, brother. Let's see what the man got.
Hey, brother, you got them Hannah Montana socks?
No, I got them color good, them precious socks.
What? Set it off.
I'm definitely gonna get the precious socks. Give me a second. Let me let this man get through drilling my hair in.
Magic 107.5, 97.5 is the tallest man in radio, Tall Boy, and I'm in the streets right now with those tickets to the big event. If you want them, you gotta catch me in the streets. Right now, passing by Pure Essence Barbershop. If you want the tickets, find me. It's Magic 107.5, 97.5.
Tall boy! Can't catch up with that tall boy, man. Man, did you see the 2 chicks? Man, did you see the 2 girls? Man, I saw the girl, boy. Hey, listen, man, what we gotta do is tune in to 107.5, man. You see me fighting them 2 dudes right there? Did you see me? They stole them. I hit one of them in his mouth. I said, boy, get out of here. No. Oh, man, you should see the girls, bro. Hey, we're gonna catch him on the next one. We're gonna catch him with tall boy. Party to these tickets. Where is that tall boy?